All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Riley Hutto, celebrating a birthday in Columbus. A very happy birthday to you, Riley.
And Amber Jennings is celebrating birthday number 32 in Jasper, Missouri.
And we've also got Lisa Lawrence celebrating number 52 over in Joplin. Happy birthday, Lisa.
All right, and Della Campbell turning another year wiser in Columbus. Happy birthday. We got a special note here that says, happy birthday to my wife, love, Jim.
And we've also got Glendora Maples celebrating number 88 over in Joplin. It says her nickname here is Blue Eyes. A very happy birthday to you.
Susie Cook turning 109 this year. Looking great there, Susie. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. Many more to come in Joplin. Happy birthday.
And we've got Travis and Gina Shelton celebrating their 8th wedding anniversary in Fort Scott. Yeah, very happy anniversary going out to the Sheltons.
All right, and Les and Deb Green are celebrating their 48th anniversary. They are in Parsons.
And George Terwilliger celebrating a birthday in Columbus. George, I'm sure I completely destroyed your last name, but we still wish you a happy birthday.
All right, and Clifford and Pam West are celebrating their 49th anniversary. They are in Webb City.
And we've got Marcia and Calvin Bradney celebrating their 54th wedding anniversary over in Columbus. Happy anniversary to the Bradneys. And of course, we love celebrating with you. Tanya, how do they celebrate with us?
All right, all they have to do is send us a picture and all the details to this email, birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. Send the anniversaries to that same email.
And of course, while you're on our website, maybe checking out the latest on today's weather, make sure you take time to sign up for the birthday club. You can get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.